Okay, dear students, talking about this concept of adaptation during SSB stay is a very important thing. आप किस तरीके से अपने आप को ढाल पाते हैं? देखिए, if you yourself have a problem in adjusting with others, how many people will be hired to help you adjust with everyone? So we want you to be having that flexibility. I'm a living example that I had a problem. मैं adaptation में पहले कमज़ोर था. दो प्रकार के लोग कमज़ोर होते हैं. एक जो बहुत शाई होते हैं, बहुत शर्मीले होते हैं. एक वो भी होते हैं जिन्हें बड़ा प्रोटेक्शन मिला होता है. मैं कई कॉन्वेंट स्कूल्स में पढ़ता था. आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन डिफरेंट कॉन्वेंट स्कूल्स. और हम लोग का एक रूल होता था, छोटी सी भी प्रॉब्लम हो आप उस पर एक्शन नहीं लेंगे, आप टीचर को जाके बताएंगे. तो हम क्या करते थे, जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी तो जाके टीचर के पास पहुंच जाते थे और टीचर से बोलने लगते थे कि भाई ऐसी ऐसी दिक्कत है, और हो जाती थी. पर फिर इत्तेफाक से unfortunately when I lost my mother and my father was posted in Calcutta headquarters Eastern Command, so I suddenly had to shift from a convent school to a central school. Now in central school there was a mixed crowd, हर प्रकार का crowd है. इतने नियम बहुत सख्त नहीं होते. पहले भी मैं पढ़ा था सेंट्रल स्कूल में, तो आई वॉज अवेयर. बट फिर बीच में लंबे समय में कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में पढ़ने के कारण मेरी स्वभाव थोड़ा खराब हो गया था. मेरे को क्या होता था, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, सर इसने गलत शब्द बोला, इसने ये सब बोला, एक तरीके से यू कैन कॉल इट की चुगलीखोरी, और यू कैन कॉल इट दैट कंप्लेनिंग एटीट्यूड, नॉन एडजस्टमेंट एटीट्यूड, ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर परफेक्शन एटीट्यूड. ये बहुत सारे एटीट्यूड मैंने अपने अंदर समा लिए. तो when I landed up in the school, I once or twice went to the teacher. एक दो बार सॉल्व हुए, एक दो बार नहीं हुए. फिर then I realized, what the hell am I doing? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? These are the people whom I have to live with, and why am I regularly going and complaining? There is no perfect state. कोई 100% सही नहीं होता. तो मैं ये complaining attitude से जिंदगी में जीऊंगा कैसे? How will I learn to live? If I am going to live in a jungle or the modern wild, which we call our society, society भी एक प्रकार से आधुनिक जंगल है, उसमें अगर मैं इस तरीके से जीऊंगा तो क्या जी पाऊंगा? नहीं 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 नहीं. So what I said that okay, so what should I do? I stopped complaining and started adjusting. And soon when I went to the other school, and when I went to Central School, Fort William for some time, and thereafter to different school, I learned that I have to improve my system of adjustment. That is the truth. And I improved. And I did. So what I want to say, adaptation means that anything, when you want to adapt yourself, you have to be compromising. You have to be adjusting. You have to appreciate things as it is, not complain until extreme. हमें जब तक अति ना हो जाए तब तक कंप्लेनिंग की आदत नहीं होनी चाहिए. उदाहरण के लिए, if you go there, you will have different things. You will be living in the barrack, or maybe with the rooms. You will be having some problem of mosquitoes. You may be having some problem of food. You may be having some other problems, and thereafter you open a complaint box. Very bad, because you know when you are going there, you will have some things. आपको समस्या है mosquito, take a Odomos cream, make arrangements for yourself. You have problem with the food, buy biscuits. But why are you always complaining? Whenever food is made for a lot of people, it will not be like your mother's cooking. Never, never, never. So why do you expect? There are some people who keep complaining. They have developed a habit of complaining, and then they think that they'll become good leader. Leader is a man of positivity. Leader is a girl of positivity. और जब पॉजिटिव आदमी होता है तो बोलता है कोई बात नहीं यार, थोड़े दिन की बात है, आगे देख लेंगे. तो वो कभी कंप्लेन करने की बजाय एडजस्ट करने की सोचता है. दैट इज लाइफ. सो एडेप्टेशन यही चीज की होती है. यू शुड नो हाउ टू मिक्स विद एवरीवन. There will be many friends of yours talking something else, and you are fighting with them. Poor adaptability. चलिए ये भी छोड़िए. आप जैसे GTO ग्रुप बनेगा और आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन की बजाय वहाँ पे तलवारें तानते हो, when you take out swords and fight as if you are the person who is going to decide the entire policy of the globe, I think you behave very funny. You are supposed to participate to come to a common consensus. आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है कि एक सामंजस्य बने, एक समन्वय बने, and there some points of yours, some point of mine, all can come together. That is exactly what we really want from you. So when you come up with that section, then automatically it becomes better. You have to understand and identify that. If you will do that, it is well and fine. If you don't want to do that, you may not be scoring well in adaptation. There were people like Honorable late APJ Abdul Kalam, our superstar Amitabh Bachchan ji, or our superstar Shah Rukh Khan, or whatever. There were people who were not easy in adaptation. They tried to change the scenario by themselves. So we don't want this kind of thing. Army is a very beautifully structured organization. उसमें हम उन लोगों को चाहते हैं who can get adjusted to it, not change the system. Yes, when you become a senior officer and you have some correction to make, that you can do. But change the system in toto या पूरे रूप से परिवर्तित कर दे, ये गलत होगा, क्योंकि पूरी संस्था की जो क्वालिटी है इंडियन आर्मी की या पूरी ये संस्था की, वो शानदार है. और उस शानदार संस्था को अगर आप में कोई भी जन बजाय एडजस्ट होने के खुद बदलने के मूड में है पूरी तरीके से, तो हमें नहीं चाहिए ऐसा. We don't want such person. So adaptation is related to your complaining attitude. Adaptation is about your making friends attitude. Adaptation is about how you work in group discussion. Adaptation is about how you work in progressive group tasks. Adaptation is about how you work in half group tasks. Adaptation is about how you perform in group obstacle race. Adaptation is about how you perform in individual command tasks. Adaptation is about how you do well in half group planning exercise. Adaptation is about your final group tasks. Everything is to see how beautifully you adjust to people. There is a variety of people coming from all over India. Now I am not here to justify who's good, who's wrong. We have to adjust to all, yet make our path. We have to deliver our performance without being critical of others. अपनी परफॉर्मेंस पे ध्यान दीजिए बजाय दूसरों की बुराई पे, और मिल के चलिए. बस सिलेक्शन दूर थोड़ी ना है. There are many people who have quality standards attitude. Many girls, many boys. Oh, I don't like this kind of person. Oh, I don't like this kind of person. Well, then stay at home. अपने घर में रहिए. But when you are come out in the group, please adjust to one and all. Not sit in their lap. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि उनकी गोद में जाके बैठ जाइए. Be a good friend, but stop having complaints and learn to adjust with them. That is adaptation. तो अगर आपका कंसेप्ट ऑफ एडेप्टेशन होगा, एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी अच्छी होगी, लीडरशिप अच्छी होगी, सेंसिबिलिटी अच्छी होगी, डायनेमिज्म अच्छा होगा, परिवर्तनशील बातचीत करेंगे. वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर रिजिड पर्सनालिटी, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर फ्लेक्सिबल इंटेलिजेंट पर्सनालिटी. तो वो अच्छा होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली योर परफॉर्मेंस विल बी गुड. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज समथिंग विच वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. And when you do all these things, we automatically realize that you have an ability to adapt. If you will be adapting well, as social adjustment आपको याद रहे एक important factor है OLQs का ऑप्शनल qualities में, and if you are showing that, wonderful. Plus in the further thing, social effectiveness, that means samajik prabhavshilta, you doing well, that again means that you are doing very well. So now social effective, adaptability, both are going well. That means your complete personality is coming out very, very, very well. So we want that you should score well, not have problems with others. You should be enjoying the variety of the world. After all, you are in India, the country with unity in diversity. You should know to appreciate one and all. Have no critical thoughts with others. That is adaptation. Story में भी आप जब लिखते हो कि आप गए, आपने दूसरे को समझा, एडजस्ट किया, एडाप्टेशन क्वालिटी दिखती है. आपके सेंटेंसेस में भी दिखेगी. तो कॉन्सेप्ट जब आपको क्लियर है कि मुझे अपने आप को ढालना है, लोगों को नहीं बदलना है, लोगों की बुराई नहीं करनी है, जबरदस्ती न्याय का रजिस्टर नहीं खोलना है, ये गलत है, ये अच्छा है, अरे माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस एंड एंजॉय योरसेल्फ. So I hope you understand what is adaptation and your concept should be very clear. अगर आपकी ये principles आपके दिमाग में clear रहेंगे, आपकी performance natural और beautiful रहेगी. Success is certainly going to be yours. God bless you. Do well. हाँ, communication को अच्छा करिए, क्योंकि adaptation में अगर आपकी communication control रहेगी तो जो आपका expression of adaptability है वो भी दिखेगा लोगों को. और ज़्यादा मत बोलिए, जितना ज़रूरी है उतना बात किया करिए. जीडी है उसमें 2-3 बार बोल लिया, बहुत बोल लिया, अच्छे 2-3 पॉइंट दे दिए, बहुत अच्छे बोल दिए. You don't have to bark. Now some people will think that as a teacher, sir, you speak so much and clearly, why not me? So that's not done. Got the point? Hope it is clear. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.